Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to export Telegram chat history. So you could only do this on your PC, okay? So you have to log in your Telegram account here on your PC or desktop. So let me remind you, you can't do this on your mobile phone or phone device. So after you have logged in, you have to click at a specific message or conversation, then tap this three dots here. Once you tap this, and then you will see these options: mute notifications, view profile, set wallpaper, export chat history, clear history, delete chat. So all you have to do is to click this export chat history. So once you tap this one, you will see this chat export settings, and all you have to do is to select if you want to export photos, videos, if you want to export voice messages, video messages, stickers, JFs files, and you can also select the size limit here. If you want to increase this, you just have to click at this circle right here and then increase. Now you can also see this format patch downloads. If you want to change the location, you just have to click this one and then change the location. Okay, so from the oldest message to present, you can also click this one and then change the setting here. Once everything is okay, what you're going to do next is to click export. And then all you have to do is to go to the specific file where you have export these files from your Telegram account. And that's it. So this is how easy it is to export Telegram chat history. So if you have any questions and if you have found this video helpful, please do comment down below and please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next videos.